I've been having difficulty changing my X username, but not until I finally find a way to do it. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how I did it, how you can do it also. So watch this video to the end so you don't do something else. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to click on where you have your profile. Is to click right here where you have this, okay? You click it. As soon as you click it, you have to scroll down to where you have this settings and support right here. You see, you will toggle this on so that it can open in full. Okay, you tap on it. All right. As soon as you tap on it, it's going to open settings and privacy. So just go ahead and tap on this settings and privacy, and then it's going to load up this page. Okay, what you have to do now is to click on your account where you have this, your account. That is where you tap on. All right, you tap on it, and now you come and tap on where you have this account information. You tap on it, and then where you have this username right here, you click on this, your username right here. Okay, as soon as you click on it, this is your username now. All right, you can now decide to choose any username of your choice. All right, but so I'll just tap on change it, okay, to Dex check. All right, I have now changed the username to Dex check. So I'll just go ahead and click on submit. Okay, you go ahead and highlight this button right here. Okay, so one thing you should realize is that if you are changing your username, it has to be more than 4 characters. Okay, when once it's below 4 characters, this button is not going to be highlighted. So you have to select at least more than 4 character words. Okay, and then after you've selected it, you ensure that this app, the X app you are using on your phone, is currently updated to the latest version. Because if it's not updated, you might have issue with this button toggling on. So you have to ensure that your app is updated. You can go to your Apple Store, install it, or you can also go to the Play Store, install it. As soon as that is done, you can now come back here and change it, and it will be done successfully. All right, so that's how you go about the process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.